Hi, my name's Marcia. I have a little bit of time and I want to work on some outdoor pillows before I head out to dinner with some friends. So I'm hoping that I can show you how to put together outdoor pillows in 15 minutes or less. Let's see how it goes. The first thing I'm going to do is simply cut the fabric. Now you'll place two pieces of your fabric together. You'll place them with the right sides in and the dull side out. They'll make up the front and back of your pillow. If you want your pattern to look a certain way, now's when you would do that. You can see I didn't even have mine match up. My red swirly things there don't even match. But you can do yours if you want to. Now I'm pinning all the way around except for one side of the opening. And then on one of these sides, I want to remember to sew down each side, but I want to leave an opening here. So I try to keep a way of reminding myself where that's going to be. And so one way you can do it is just by do the pins a different direction there, like so that you can have a visual cue for yourself that here to here is where you're going to stuff your pillow. See how the pins are going in a different direction? The others are kind of like parallel to the edge and these are perpendicular. It's just whatever helps you. Now we'll take it over and start sewing. I'm using white thread and a white bobbin, and I'm just going to go ahead and put these in. Remember, it's like right sides together. And I'm just going to go and sew all the way around. I'm not sewing very precisely. These are just easy outdoor pillows that aren't going to last me a super long time. I kind of make them every season. So, oops, sorry about that. When I get here to the end, I'm going to stitch forward, come back a little bit, put the needle down, lift and turn, okay? And then I'm going to go backward a little bit again and then forward. And the reason is because later we're going to cut those corners off. Backward. And I'm going to go forward a little bit there. And that. Go back a little bit. And then go forward. I just want to give some strength to my corners. You see this isn't totally lined up, and I'm okay with it. I'm just going off of that top edge. Now this is my fourth side, so this is the side that I need to leave an opening in to get the stuffing in. So I'm just going to go to about there. I'm going to back stitch, and then I'm going to actually lift that needle, move down, back stitch again, and then go forward. And the reason I backstitched on both of those pieces there, I'm going to go ahead and cut this corner off, was so that when I stick my hand in here and turn the fabric inside out, it's not going to start unraveling everywhere. I'm just going to clip those threads Oh, sorry. Right here. And then turn this inside out. Oh, sorry, hold on. Before you turn it inside out, the reason we did all that work on the corners is because now you're going to clip your corners right here so that when you turn it inside out, you have a better finish. See, the stitching goes all the way there and all the way there, and I'm cutting the corner here, not on the inside of where the stitching is. And here. Is that all four? Yeah. Okay. Now I can turn it inside out. Oh my goodness. Whenever you're in a hurry. All right. Turning it inside out. And then you can see you can kind of poke at the corner. And it's, you know, it's a nice little finished edge there where the corner is. So I'm just going to poke all corners out and then add my stuffing. You just grab the stuffing. And when I put the stuffing in, I like to put it all the way into the corners so that I can make sure that I have it in there from the beginning. And then what you're going to do, I don't like those, is you're going to fold this up so that these edges go in. See that? And then pin it in place. And you will actually sew that along the edge there, removing the pins as you go. All right. I always do this the wrong way and I always pinch myself with the pins. So if you can put them in the other way, that's great. Just for me, it's easier to pull the pin head out this way as I'm sewing. All right, let me move you over here. So I'm going to back stitch first, just to secure it, and then forward stitch. Hold it tight. Pull it out here. Pull out that last one. All right, and then I'm going to back stitch just a little bit more and lift it, clip. Clip the threads from where we started, and then kind of fluff it, and our pillow should be done. That's how it looks. Let's go put it outside. Here they are, pillows on my curved sofa in front of the house. I finished them pretty quickly, and I'm still on time to go meet my friends for dinner. Good luck. Bye.